So we've got Irfan setting up the drone. Hey guys!
Hello.
Hi! Guess where we are?
We're at a service station.
A food court in Pakistan.
Look what we found.
A McDonald's. We've got we've got a mosque over there. You've got Dunkin' Donuts just over there.
Yeah.
You've got a Heaven food court and some other sort of.
There's a Pizza Hut here as well somewhere. I think I saw a Pizza Hut as well, which looked really, really tasty. But we went for a McDonald's. I was absolutely starving, and oh my days, it hit the spot. Hit the spot indeed. But we're stood in the middle of the car park right now, just to show you. Look how lovely this amazing service station is.
An hour and a half away from Lahore, which is our destination.
Today, and we're just stopping off and nicely refueled.
We did do this. This is our second time round, by the way.
That's what it feels like. It's unnatural.
If I didn't press record, and people in this car park will be thinking, "What are these guys doing?" But
yeah, after you.
Oh, thank you.
After you.
I've got my slippers on, just had a shower, and we've just ordered room service, and this is just epic. We've got literally fresh guava juice just here.
Not from concentrate, that's actual pure guava.
And this is chicken tikka. Oh my god, just look at this. We literally had a long 6-hour journey today from the village into Lahore, and this is some chicken. Oh,
ginger handi.
Wow.
Got
Given us some bread as well. Look at this.
Some rotis.
Roti, that is. And we have not slept on a bed for the last 9 days.
Yeah.
So we're gonna dig in and we're gonna call it a night.
I think so.
Maybe watch some telly.
Yeah.
But we will see you guys tomorrow. And good night. Hey guys.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon.
Hello everyone. We've made it into Lahore. I was going to say, the only way I can describe it is literally the Pakistani version of Bangkok.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know if you can hear the noise, the horn, like all this crazy hustle and bustle. You've got like 5 people on motorbikes. You literally, there's no rules when it comes to how you drive, because there's like, you make your own lane basically, innit?
Yeah, it's basically a hustling, bustling, busy, crazy city with noises and colours and people all over the place and drivers doing whatever they want to and motorbikes everywhere, and it's just, it's almost like a organised carnage. You know, you've got shops all over the place, and you've got food places all over the show, and yeah, it's mayhem. Yeah, and you know, we went up the dual carriageway the wrong way round just to cut maybe a bit of a journey off, but I mean, that's how things are done here.
Oh my god, yeah, we went the opposite direction. You know, I was like, oh my god, it's gonna crash.
Questionable, but you made it, so it's all good.
Yeah, probably not half an hour off. So today's itinerary is we're hoping to get to the walled city and hopefully do Badshahi Mosque.
Yeah.
Later on today.
Yeah, so we're gonna walk around the old city, see what's going on there. There's quite loads of different historical points.
Yeah, like Mughal Empire sort of history, art, mosques that were built around the border. And we are gonna go check out the Wagah border.
The Wagah border tomorrow.
We'll probably be tomorrow. So it took us 6 hours. We thought it was going to take us 4 hours to get here from the village yesterday, but we had a few stop-offs.
Yeah.
And I'll be honest with you, we've had the runs.
Yeah, we've had
It's
the
been
Pakistan
interesting.
equivalent of a Delhi belly since yesterday. So
And I was like, maybe got in the mood for vlogging, but we gotta do it, man.
we gotta do it.
We
We gotta do it.
for
We're
you
here.
guys.
We're here. We're absolutely. I'm excited actually for today. I'm really excited for today.
It
We can-
feels like we're in Asia, but then you've got your own sort of Pakistan spin on it.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. I mean, it reminds me of Bangkok. That's what it basically reminds me of. Right. So we are gonna get dropped off at a bazaar. We're gonna have a walk around, and then we'll show you all that in a bit.
Tarnish. This is the famous, what is it?
Anarkali Bazaar.
Anarkali. Everyone's a little nervous, but
It's a bit intimidating though, isn't it? I think it's the stairs when you walk up and down the street and everyone's literally looking at you like, who there for these two? Even though we're brown skinned, we stand out like absolute sore thumbs here. And that's the thing in it. And we're proper local place, there's no foreigners here. There's not tourists. So let's have a little walk.
I just think it's people more intrigued more than anything.
So we're walking through the bazaar and it's not actually that bad to be fair. We've been walking through for a few minutes and you just got to watch where you're walking, but there's loads of things going on. There's shops selling things, there's people riding through their motorbikes. So yeah, it's actually quite exciting.
What are we doing, Irfan?
Fresh carrot juice. Lovely.
Right.
Here we are, fresh carrot juice right there.
How are you feeling?
I'm alright.
We've got some carrot juice from this guy and enjoying it. Everyone's a bit
Absolutely.
traumatized after that experience in the bazaar, aren't you? He's like, take me away from here.
The walk through the bazaar was absolutely mental. I didn't know what was going on.
Right, so this is us crossing the road like experts now because, you know, we've been in Lahore for like 5 minutes. Ooh, we made it! So that I've never experienced anything like that in my life. It is just literally mad, like chaos. There's so much going on. There's just like, you literally have to watch where you're going. Oh, you got a taxi.
He's my even Pakistani not being in a British.
Love is love. Adios.
Dinner with a view.
So this one's for the Gaz lads, Michelle and Laura. So you know how in the UK we get natural yogurt just plain in the pot? In Pakistan you get
Ready-made, lads.
yes lads, green ready-made. So we just stopped off in the food street and we're getting some tandoori chai, which comes in these clay pots. And here he puts one of these pots in the oven, takes it out, and it's boiling. It's like red hot, basically just out of the kiln. He puts that in a pot and pours the tea over it, and then the tea bubbles up. And as the tea's bubbling, he's basically cooking it a bit more.
And what does that do to the tea?
It just cooks it a bit more. Gives it a distinct tandoori flavour. And we've got some firni, which is basically a dessert, like a rice pudding type dessert. Comes in a clay pot like this. This dessert is actually really nice. It's really nice and light.
What does it taste like?
It's a very, very, very fine rice pudding. Oh yeah, that is nice.
I think having things in a clay pot makes it so much
Just so nice. Even this was just delicious in a clay pot. Look at that, fresh sugar granules.
And that at the top is what we call the
Malai. I don't know how to explain it. It's like walking down the 1700s. The really old buildings. You can smell the food cooking. It's like old wooden buildings, and it's like the chickens cooking outside and open fire, and people just sat having tea, and you can see like the heat from all the different places. It's just something else. So relaxing. It's busy but relaxing at the same time.
Okay, checking the AC, really?
Yeah, this is air condition introduced by the Mughal in 450. You can also check. Put your hand.
It's fearless.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
If you see from the other side, my sound will come from the back side.
Ah, okay.
Hello, Mr. Fan. How are you? This is so amazing here. You see the sound system here?
Yeah, it's like he stood behind me.
Oh my god.
Breathing out.